Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to zoom Google Sheets account. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets account. Firstly, then issue the Google Sheets from the zoom. Now going to the menu option, then zoom menu option. Now show the 100%. Now for click, then click for the 50%. This show the zoom out. Now for click zoom, then click for the 200% is the zoom. Then your needs from the zoom. That's it. Then I show the zoom Google Sheets account is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.